We put on the hats as we were practicing lawyers, no longer practicing, but still, once a lawyer, always a lawyer. And so we're so thrilled that today we're going to be chatting about why do lawyers need to know about soft law?
Yes, and I will start by quoting a general counsel of a global company I listened to just last week, who said, I don't know why external counsels don't concern themselves with soft law, because for us internally, soft law is very hard. And why is that? Because the soft law is obviously where the law is going, as you just said, and it's also a reflection of the reality of the company.
Isn't it fascinating though how the field has evolved so rapidly? I know when the UNGPs were endorsed in 2011, there was a sense in the companies that we were working with at the time, well, there's soft law over here and then there's hard law over there, and there was like two different buckets of things, and how can we make the case that we need to be looking at soft law if we are trained to be looking at hard law? And then from 2011 to now 2023, the wave of the disclosure laws, and then now the due diligence laws, and then the import bans, and what are all of those inspired from? Soft law.
But because lawyers, and I've seen this with many of our clients, lawyers haven't read them. So they think it's new, and it's something that they have to try to recreate the meaning of. And what we know, Anna, is that a lot of clients have people who are very good at the soft laws and have been implementing them in the companies for years, 10 years actually.
Right.
So it's also, I think one important message is to start looking not only beyond the hard law, but also beyond the legal department.
Yes.
And look to other people in your clients' teams.
It's the new reality of work. We can no longer have these specializations where we are sort of with these, bricks around, this is my specialty. All the specializations are interconnected with other non-legal areas. And absolutely, we're seeing that companies are operating within these rising ecosystem of challenges and complexities, and it's all connected. So to thrive, to survive, to really be here present as a business that will look to the future, lawyers within companies have the role to play. So yes, there are the laws, but what's the bigger direction of travel here we need to know about, and ask their law firms to be looking at that.
Be open to new learnings. Think that you will be a better lawyer if you learn new things that are not only hard law, and dare to engage in conversation with your clients about that new learning.
Being cognizant of why the laws are the way they are. They don't exist in a vacuum. It's not, we're putting due diligence in place for due diligence's sake. Why is it? What is this law trying to respond to? Because understanding the rationale, what's driving the laws, will then help us better respond to our clients' requests and then position them for success. As these laws, there's only one way forward. Acceleration and escalation of legal obligations, coupled with litigation, investor requests, consumer demands. This is the future. So in fact, there's a golden opportunity here to be ahead of the curve.
And also have fun.
And
feel good about yourself.